What is this figure? That's right, it's a rectangle. In order to find the area of this rectangle, we are going to have to find a unit or a measure and see how many of those units we have contained in this figure. Our unit will be the square. Do you remember when we learned those special names for some figures and we said that the square was the measurer? The square we want will have a measure like this for its side. And we can imagine we've marked off units like this on our rectangle. Now imagine that we trace the lines from each of these marks so that they're parallel to each other. This is what we would have. Now imagine that we do the same thing from the other side. This is what we would get. Now imagine that we superimpose the shapes on top of each other and they're both transparent. Look at what we have now. And now to calculate the area of the surface of this rectangle, all we have to do is count.